Hello children, welcome back to the e-learning class. Today we are going to learn about verbs and helping verbs is, am, are. Now children, let us go to the textual page, page number 81. I play. Play the game of dam charade. Children, I have placed some cheats here. We are going to play dam charade. Shubhanjali miss is with us. Please miss, choose one cheat and enact. What is? Okay, laugh. Now children, Preeti miss is with us. She is going to choose one cheat and she is going to enact. Yes, it is J-U-M-P, jump. Now children, Sheetal miss is with us. She is going to choose one cheat and enact. What she is doing, children? Eat. Yes, E-A-T, eat. Once again, Shubhanjali miss is with us. She is going to choose one cheat and enact. What is the word, children? Yes, it is clap. C-L-A-P, clap. Now children, once again Preeti miss is with us. She is going to take the last one cheat and enact. Yes, what is the action, children? Run. R-U-N, run. Now children, let's go to the next beat. I talk. List any 5 actions that you were able to guess easily while your friends enacted them. Now children, here you have to ask your family member to enact any 5 actions and guess the action words and write in the given places. Do it by your own. Verbs, action words. Action words are the actions we perform. They are called verbs or doing verbs. Some of the action words are here. Run, skip, swim, walk, play, ride, etc. Fun to know. An action verb is a verb that expresses a physical or mental action. It tells what someone is doing, what someone did, or what someone will do. Now children, here I have placed some flashcards. Now we have to identify the verbs among these. Let us start. Bank is a noun. Run is a verb, action word. Sleep is a action word. He is a pronoun. Dance, a verb, action word. In, it is a preposition. Laugh, action word. Hina, noun. But, conjunction. Play, action word or verb. Table, name of a thing. It is a noun. On, preposition. She, pronoun. Write, action word or verb. And, conjunction. Jump, verb or action word. So let us place. In, preposition, hina, noun, but, conjunction. Now children, check all the flashcards. Is there any verb remaining? No. Jump, write, play, laugh, sleep, run, dance. These are the verbs or action words. Children, ask to your parent to make the flashcards, mix them all, and you identify from those flashcards verbs. Let us go to the next I act. List 5 actions that you do in class and 5 actions that you do at home and make sentences with them. Now children, remember those days when you used to come regular to the school and write 5 actions which you used to do in the class and 5 actions that you do at home and make sentences with them by your own. Practice at home. Question number 1. In your notebook, paste 2 pictures that show more than one action happening. Describe the actions and underline them. Let us see few examples. The girl is skipping and laughing. Children, in this sentence, skipping and laughing are 2 action words or verbs. The boy is drawing and coloring the picture. Children, in this sentence, drawing and coloring are 2 action words or verbs. Question number 2. Play dum charades with action words with your parents. As I said you in question number 1, I talk. Now children, let us go to the next page, page number 82. Helping verbs is, am, are. I grammatize. Children, you have already learnt about helping verbs is, am, are. Let us take a review. If a noun or pronoun is singular or one, use is. If a noun or pronoun is plural or many, use are. Remember children, we use are helping verb with pronoun you, though it is singular. We use am helping verb with only pronoun I. I am. Let us see one example. I am a girl. Children, are you ready to sing the song? Remember children, action verbs are the main verbs, but helping verbs are not the main verbs. They just help the main verbs to form the tense. We use helping verbs is, am, are in present tense. Now children, let's go to the textual page, page number 82. Once again, question number 1. Read the following sentences and underline the naming words or nouns in it. Let's see few examples. The cat is eating all the food. First, we will identify the noun cat. Is the naming word one or many? Children, here cat word or noun is singular or we can say one. So here is helping verb is used. Let us see the next one, example B. The cats are eating all the food. Now children, let us identify the noun cats. Children, here cats is a noun or naming word. Is the naming word one or many? Here cats naming word or noun is plural or we can say many. So here our helping verb is used. So when noun is one or singular, use is. When noun is singular or one, use is. If the noun is many or plural or more than one, then use are. Children, look at here. The noun is plural here. So, helping verb are is used. Now children, let us go to the next. Look at the next sentence and underline the nouns in it. The cat and the dog are eating as fast as they can. In this sentence, cat and dog, two nouns are there. Since there are more than one nouns, our helping verb is used. Let us see the next one. Look at the following sentence. My name is Ruhan. In the first sentence, Ruhan is a singular noun, so here is helping verb is used. And in the next sentence, I am a boy. Here am helping verb is used. Whenever I pronoun is used, the word am helping verb will be used to talk about it. I hope you understood the concept, children. Use this understanding to answer the following questions. Now children, let's go to the next question, question number 2. Fill in the blanks with is, am, are. Children, read the sentences carefully and write the correct helping verb in the given blanks. Do it by your own. Now children, let's go to the next page, page number 83. Question number 3. Take the correct option to complete the following sentences. Children, read the sentences carefully and take the correct option. Do it by your own. Now children, here we will stop. Let us meet in the next e-learning class with new topic. Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching.